FabFitFun, I'm Catherine, and today I have the FabFitFun summer box to share with you. This is my third FabFitFun box, and I'm really excited to open it up and see what's inside. First impressions are that I love the box, and it says that it's in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society on the edge here, so that's really good. And let's just dive right in and see what is going on with this. So we've got our usual magazine, which has the spoilers in it, so I won't be looking at this now. And a couple of coupons. Cute strawberry sticker on the wrapping. Lots of goodies today. So I have to start with this because I really want to know what it is. Summer Rose, it looks like it's a beach towel. Summer and Rose, I'm sorry. It's a scissor job. Ridiculous packaging. Summer and Rose Make Your Own Sunshine Beach Towel. It feels like it's some kind of moisture wicking fabric. And I would like to open this up and see what it looks like. It's really soft. Okay, this has a tropical print on it, pineapples, leaves, that kind of thing. And it seems to be really big. So I'm not going to unfold it all the way here, but I really like this. This is soft and a great color scheme too. So I'll be excited to take this to the pool at my apartment. Next up we have a Tarte eyeliner. So this is really high quality stuff. It's called Sex Kitten. Take that as you will. And it's liquid eyeliner. And now there's another Tarte makeup item, which is the Tarte Tartist Pro To Go eyeshadow palette. So another really high quality piece of makeup. And this is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Oh, I'll be excited to use this. Dramatically improve your skin's texture to reveal softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. Great. Not much of a smell to speak of. But I can feel, if I put it on my hand, all the little exfoliating things in it. It's got a fresh scent to it. Yeah, this seems really nice. Next, another enzyme thing. This is the Elemis, however you pronounce that, Papaya Enzyme Peel, Advanced Skincare. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. So these seem to be skin products that will be good for taking care of your skin in the midst of sun exposure and being outdoors more often. And one more skincare thing on top here. SPF 50 Coola Sport Classic Sunscreen. It's white tea scented, and since it says classic face on here, I assume that it's okay for pores. And it says it's TSA friendly. So this will be handy. I was just saying to my friend yesterday that I needed to remember to keep my sunscreen in my bag. Can never get enough of this, and sunscreen is so expensive. So yay, and it's a cute bottle too. I'm gonna open this up and see what white tea sunscreen smells like, because I don't think I've ever had scented sunscreen. Oh, it smells really fresh. It doesn't have quite as much of that heavy sunscreen smell to it. This seems like really high quality sunscreen. Here's something in a little bag, and it's in a case inside the bag. Let's see. Foreo Luna Fofo. That didn't tell me anything. Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. And I think it links up to your smartphone. This is exciting. I've never had anything like this before, so this feels really worth it for this box. So it shows a picture on here of a smartphone with your skin age that your phone has calculated, presumably off of using this brush. Download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. Get smart about your skin, know it, perfect it, love it, measure skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, app records progress. So this is something that I would never buy for myself and would really like to try. So I'm definitely going to be using this tonight and seeing what it comes up with. This is really fun. Okay, Pier 1 Imports. That's an exciting little box. Let's see what they've got for us. It is literally a plate, which is kind of bizarre but cute. It's not entirely my style for my house, but I'm sure that I have a family member who would appreciate this more than I probably would. But it's from Pier 1. It probably suits a lot of people's taste, so I'd say it's a good value. And the last item comes in a very chic looking box. This is Aromatherapy Associates London, which I can tell just smelling the box. De-stress muscle gel, focusing and soothing. Yes, this is what I need in my life. I get so much muscle pain in my back and shoulders. Yes. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. Yes, this is great. I'm super happy about this because this is the kind of thing that I need and wouldn't want to spend the money on. This is a really big bottle. It'll take me forever to use this up. I'm really excited about this. Oh, and it smells amazing. It has really strong lavender scents coming out of it. So I can tell that this is actually worth it and has good ingredients put into it. So good job, FabFitFun, with this one. And I found one bonus item in here which I'm really excited about. It says, "This straw saves marine life," and it has the Wildlife Conservation Society logo on it. So I'm hoping that the magazine says something about this. So I've opened up the straw itself, and it's a paper straw, and it has little sea turtles on it and hashtag give a sip, which I assume is part of their anti-plastic campaign. And I looked in the magazine and there's nothing about this straw specifically, which is a little bit odd, but I know enough about plastic alternatives for straws to know that this is most likely a biodegradable paper straw. And there is a section from the Wildlife Conservation Society about give a sip, and says that by 2050 there will be more plastic in the ocean by weight than there are fish. So this is really important awareness raising. And it says that if you pledge to use less plastic at giveasip.us, they'll send you a free reusable stainless steel straw, which is awesome. Everyone should use stainless steel straws. I've talked about this in my other videos. They are far superior to a disposable plastic straw, and they are completely reusable as opposed to these paper ones, which don't last very long. And they also make the drink more refreshing and are easy to clean. So that's my little message to you, everybody. Sign up, get your free stainless steel straw at giveasip.us. That's awesome. So while I would have liked to hear about this straw specifically, I'm really happy that it's in here at all being talked about, and that FabFitFun is devoting the first page of their magazine to talking about plastic pollution and wildlife conservation. That's awesome. And also there are a bunch of tips in the magazine on how to use the face brush. So that's gonna be really fun. So my final thoughts are that this box is awesome. It made up for the a little bit of lacking in the spring box, which was kind of hit or miss, but this one felt cohesive. The items are even in a similar color scheme for the most part. They've got a kind of turquoise theme going on, and they actually are things that I wouldn't buy for myself but are really useful for the summer specifically, whereas the spring box didn't really feel spring themed. It was just a bunch of stuff. So overall, this brought the box back into my favor, and I'm really happy and will enjoy using these things for the rest of the season. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for every new video